Novak Djokovic issues really frustrated verdict on Jannik Sinner doping case. We've been kept in the dark. The International Tennis Integrity Agency, ITIA, announced in August that Sinner would not be banned for failing 2 doping tests in March after an independent tribunal ruled he carried no fault or negligence. The Italian tested positive for clostebol, a banned anabolic steroid, on March 10th and 18th, during and after the Indian Wells Masters. The tribunal accepted Sinner's explanation that the substance had entered his body when receiving a massage from his former physio, Giacomo Naldi, who had used a spray containing the steroid to treat a cut on his finger. The 23-year-old was stripped of the 400 ranking points and $320,000 he earned for reaching the semi-finals in Indian Wells. In September, the World Anti-Doping Agency, WADA, appealed to the Court of Arbitration for Sport, CAS, over the verdict, seeking to impose a ban of up to 2 years on the world number 1. A statement from WADA read, "It is WADA's view that the finding of no fault or negligence was not correct under the applicable rules. WADA is seeking a period of ineligibility of between 1 and 2 years. WADA is not seeking a disqualification of any results, save that which has already been imposed by the Tribunal of First Instance. The CAS will reportedly not deliver their verdict any earlier than February 11, 2025, meaning Sinner can compete at the 2025 Australian Open." After his arrival in Brisbane, Djokovic argued there was a lack of transparency with Sinner's case and suggested the status of players may impact the treatment they receive in the anti-doping system. "We have some players who have been waiting for over a year for their case to be resolved, so the issue is the inconsistency and the transparency," the 24-time major winner said. "I've been really frustrated, as have most of the other players, that we've been kept in the dark for 5 months. He, Sinner, received the news of the positive tests in April and the announcement was not until August, just before the US Open. The ADP has not really talked in depth about why they kept that case away from the public. Then we had Simona Halep's case and Iga Swiatek's case on the WTA Tour, and it's not a good look for our sport. I'm just questioning the way the system works. Why are certain players not treated the same as other players? Maybe there's some ranking reasons behind it, or maybe others have more financial backing behind them or stronger legal teams." Djokovic will begin his 2025 season at the Brisbane International, while Sinner will not feature before his Australian Open title defense next month.